So at the beginning of the day, we went ahead and mounted these hooks up here. We took the home run coil that was sitting right here, rolled that through the wall. I'll show you where we landed that in a second, but we took it in. Then we took 2 more wires in for the outgoing wires because it's an in and an out. So we took the out wires, put it into that room, another wire into that room, and then that coil sitting right there. And then the other wire, there's the SLC and the NAC, the NAC. So they both go in, and so the NAC comes in and then out to this location. But we went ahead and drilled in these easy paths. Here's a different one, as you can see, a little bit easier. But anyways, drilled a 2-inch hole, put that through, and then put on the fireproof ceiling around the edges. And then from there, we went ahead and dropped our coils in here about 20 feet so we can hit pretty much anywhere in this room. So it's actually 40 foot because it's an in and out, so we needed 20 foot for each, just to be safe. So we got that coil sitting right there. Added all these hooks, or maybe we already had these hooks from last week, but we went ahead and pulled the wire through those as well. So this is one of the temporary teed off. As you can see here, this is like the main point right here. So came in right there, dropped down, dropped one of these off, and then another one goes back out, and then a third one T-taps off of that. It goes down to there for the smokes, the SLCs. The NAC comes in and left a coil here because there's going to be a device in the ceiling, and then from there it goes down the wall into this box right there. So that's the NAC, and then we got the SLC, another SLC like I showed you from there. And I think that's pretty much it. Got the 3 right there, and that pretty much wraps it up in here. All right, guys, so back home now. A few other things that we did at work was take a whole bunch of fire alarm devices. We had a whole bunch of fire alarm devices inside the Connex. We went ahead and took like 3-4 trips downstairs and to the foundation level, basically a storage spot. We put a whole bunch of those down there and filled that up. Running out of space. So we did that, also delivered some wire downstairs to the tunnel level, and then the rest of the day basically gathered up some more material for tomorrow's work and going over the blueprints for the next project, which is going to be more fire alarm. Fire alarm for the inner waiting area, which is in the middle of the hospital, or the middle of the emergency department. And then after we're done with that, then we'll go back to the original first room, which is the PEDS Flex, which is the first area that I pretty much videoed, I think, but the first area that I demoed. So that's the first spot that we worked at. Anyways, great day. It's my 6-month anniversary at, well, I guess at the company that I've been working for, but my 6-month anniversary working with Steven. Technically that's tomorrow because I joined the company and had to go through orientation 6 months ago. So tomorrow is technically my 6-month anniversary working at the hospital with Steven, but celebrated early today. So anyways, super excited about that. The time has gone by really fast. I've really enjoyed my time working at the hospital. Great crew, love everybody. Anyways, that's about it. Thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys back tomorrow in the next video. God bless. Have an awesome rest day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.